Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to learn that how can we name organic compounds. Various examples are given. Now we have to write down their names as per the IUPAC system. What is IUPAC system? IUPAC stands for International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So let's begin with the first example. The first one is, here we have CH3 that is bonded with CH, that is further bonded with CH2 group, and so on. Now the first thing you need to do is to select the parent chain. Parent chain means the longest chain. So this would be our longest chain. After selecting the longest chain, we have to find out that at which position substituents are attached. So this methyl group would act as a substituent, while this methyl group would also act as a substituent. Now how many carbon atoms are there in the parent chain? So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. So its name would be hexane. Now you have to write about substituent. As you can see, at carbon number 2 we have a substituent, and then at carbon number 5 we also have a substituent. So it would be write like this: 2, 5, then hyphen, and then you have to write dimethyl hexane. This substituent is methyl. This is also a methyl substituent or group. So as you can see that we have twice methyl group, so we can write dimethyl hexane. So this is the name for the first example. Now let's move to the second example. First of all, as per the rule of IUPAC system, we have to select the parent chain. So parent chain would be like this. This is the parent chain. Now count out that how many carbon atoms are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. We have 5 carbon atoms that are present in the parent chain. Here you can see that we have a substituent. This is also a substituent, while this is also a substituent. As you can see that we have 3 substituents on the parent chain. So the name would be, 5 carbon atoms are there in the parent chain, so it would be pentane. For 5 you use pent and you add A and E because all the carbon atoms are making single bond. This is an example of alkanes, so its name would be pentane. Parent chain name would be pentane. Now you have to look for the substituents. So as you can see, at carbon number 2 you have a substituent, so you will write 2, then comma. At carbon number 3 you have a substituent, so you will write 3, and then at carbon number 4 you also have a substituent, so you have to write comma 4, then hyphen. Methyl group are present thrice, so you can write tri, and then CH3 group is known as methyl. So the name of this example would be 2,3,4 trimethyl pentane. Let's proceed to example number 3. First of all, as per the IUPAC system, you have to select the parent chain. So the parent chain would be like this. This would be your parent chain. Now you have to look for the substituent. So this methyl group would be substituent and this methyl group would be a substituent. Now as you can see that the longest chain contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. So for 6 carbon you use hexane, Hexane. This would be a hexane. Now you have to give the numbers to the substituent. As you can see, at carbon number 2 you have a substituent, that is methyl, and similarly at carbon number 4 you have a substituent, that is methyl group. So you will write 2 and then 4. Methyl groups are 2 times, so you will write dimethyl hexane. So this is the correct name. Let's proceed toward example number D. First of all, you have to select the parent chain, so this would be the parent chain. How many carbon are there? you'll have to number them 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. For 5 you use pentane. Now as you can see, at carbon number 3 we have a substituent, so this would be 3 hyphen methyl and then pentane. So this is how you can write down the name of any type of organic compound. Thanks for watching. In case of any confusion, feel free to comment in a comment section.